for those that aren't aware, this is something that we'll kind of show you how this is done. I'm going to go to, I'll bring it up here in a second here. We have what is a Chrome extension. If you're using the Chrome browser, you can create different add-ons and stuff. And a couple weeks ago, we added the ability to add the Chrome extension to it. So you go through your normal Chrome extension, you go into your extension manager area, and there is a SAM Smart Import option that you can install. There's a link for it in our notes, and also the video. If you go into our updates list here, which is getting longer and longer and longer, there's a video on the Chrome extension that you can kind of watch and look at. And then there's a link on there where you can get this Chrome extension as well. What it does is you come up to the Chrome extension. If you're not logged in, you do have to log in. So let me put in my login there. What it does is once you're logged in to the Chrome extension, you can use it for grabbing content inside the system. And you can choose what import group that you want to grab this information into and assign it to. We went over this last week. We've got a video on the actual usage of it. But let's say you have a website, a Facebook page or whatever, where you've got information. Now, this is just a fake name generator place. It's not real content. But if we come here and we highlight the information, you highlight as much information as you want, you right click on it, there's this SAM import, Smart Import. And if you choose this first option, it will use whatever drop-down item you selected up here as kind of the default. Otherwise, you can choose one of the other groups that you've set up, and the groups are set up inside the contact manager so you can pre-classify your contacts, basically. So we might have some where we, hot lead. And if it's a hot lead, then I'm putting a certain category on it, a certain tag on it, assigning a certain date to it for routines and stuff. But if I select that, then it should take this content information, and then it should notify me as soon as that gets entered into the database. So what it did was it took that information that I highlighted, all the content that's in there. It uses AI to determine what information is selected, where should it go, and goes ahead and enters it into the database. So it puts on all the information. The grouping part of it that I selected, I said that was a hot lead. What that does is that goes ahead and pre-selects the category, the type, the source, the status, and the milestone for the information to be categorized for you. Any kind of additional stuff could go into notes if there's note information that's there, and then it can also pre-tag that as well. So there should be a little pop-up up here that shows you the person, in which case, whenever that happens, Jose, that is a link to that contact. So you can click on that contact notification, and it should pop up that contact in your screen.